Alright, so this little box right here might be one of the most powerful chargers I ever use in my life. It's the UGREEN Nexode 500W. And yes, 500 watts is absolutely what it sounds like. You can literally charge 5 laptops at the same time if you wanted to. So if you are tired for having chargers all over your desk, this might be the one to clean up your whole setup. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's see what's inside the box. So in the box you get the charger itself, a thick power cable and some paperwork. The build? Solid. It's not a small charger, but considering the power it pushes, it's actually super compact. It's using GaN, Gallium Nitride tech, which helps keep the things efficient and cool even when you're maxing it out. Honestly, it feels like a desktop power station. Clean finish, minimal branding. It actually looks good sitting on your desk. Alright, so let's check the ports. You get 6 ports total, 5 USB-C and 1 USB-A. The main USB-C 1 port can push 240 watts, which is insane. That's enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro 16-inch while it's running at full load. It's like unreal. The ports C2 to C5 go up to 100 watt each, so perfect for laptops, tablets and anything USB-C, so you can use it free. And the USB-A port goes up to 20 watts, so great for all the devices or accessories. So let's head into the real life testing. I tested this with my full setup. An iPhone, an Android phone, I put on my headset and the controller, and even it's a notebook. And the power stayed consistent. Everything charged at full speed, no overheating, no drop in output. And here is the cool part. The charger actually adjusts power if you plug or unplug something, so you don't need to think about which port is what, it's just work. It's kind of wild to think that one charger can replace 4 or 5 adapters and still keep up. So let's speak a little bit about the safety. So UGREEN added something called center of gravity sensing, which detects if the charger is tipping or getting too hot, and it will automatically cut or adjust power to keep things safe. Between that and the GaN cooling, it stays pretty quiet and cool, even when you're pushing close to 500 watts. And you can ask, is this product is for you or who is it this for? If you've got a tech-heavy setup, whether it's a dual laptop situation or a workstation with tablets, phones, cameras, this charger honestly makes life easier. It's especially good for people who travel with gear, stream, edit or just hate cable clutter, as me. No more hunting for the wall adapter, just one plug, 6 ports, you done. And now let's speak about the pros and the cons. And let's start now with the con, because only one. What it could be better is the size and the weight, because it's not really a traveler charger, it's more a desktop charger, but that's normal I think. So let's head into the pros. So what I like is the huge power capacity, 500 watts. It's like, come on. It can charge laptop, phones, tablets, controllers, headphones at the same time. And this is something special, something new. I like the GaN technology. It's smaller, cooler, more efficient. And this thing, guys, is really future-proof because it has a power delivery 3.1, a quick charge 3.0 and a smart safety features. And I lastly really like the modern, sleek, matte design, which is really fit on your desktop. So, is the UGREEN Nexode 500W it's worth it? Honestly, absolutely. If you've got multiple devices, want to simplify your charging setup and need serious power output, this thing absolutely delivers. It's fast, safe, efficient and just works across the board. Not for everyone, but for the right user, it's a game changer. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, just drop down in the comments below. And if you want to see a comparison with other charger hubs, let me know. Make sure you like, subscribe and keep the tech flow going. And I'll catch you in the next one.